this got a later handle, but the branding Finn Anders Andersson. He was the first one that made for selling knives, not only for his own use. This is one of the first survival knives we made. This is for
This one?
yeah, it's for Swedish Air Force. So the pilots had this connected to the pocket. So it also has the Swedish military number on it.
I see.
The army number. Special, because of special reason where the stamping are.
This is the first special knives.
It's a K.J. Eriksson.
This one, Ericsson.
Yes.
For different for him.
Yeah, this is a different branding. They did just exist for a...
But the same model.
The same model, yeah.
Пожалуй, самая большая неожиданность для меня было то, что на заводе, где производят ножи, больше роботов, чем на заводе, где производят оружие. Вообще завод Мора, очень интересное производство, поэтому скоро я вам буду рассказывать о них много, интересно, довольно необычно. До новых встреч!